Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mythical donuts. First, understand that a mythical donut transcends ordinary baking. It's about imagination and execution. Begin by sourcing the finest, most unique ingredients, like rare spices or artisanal extracts, to build a foundation of unparalleled flavor. Then, prepare to master advanced techniques that will transform simple dough into an ethereal delight, ensuring every bite is a magical experience. To truly make your donut mythical, focus on flavor innovation. Consider infusing your dough with unique elements like cardamom or rose water, creating a fragrant base. For glazes, move beyond basic sugar and experiment with vibrant fruit purees, perhaps passion fruit or blood orange, or even a hint of lavender. Don't forget the filling. A spiced apple compote or a rich, saffron-infused custard can elevate your creation to legendary status. Beyond flavor, the texture and appearance of your mythical donut are crucial. Master the art of kneading to develop gluten just enough for a tender, airy crumb, avoiding any dense results. Explore innovative shaping techniques, perhaps creating a donut with a hidden center or an elegant braided design. Finally, elevate its visual appeal with stunning garnishes, such as a dusting of edible gold or delicate sugar crystals, making it truly enchanting. The final step in creating a mythical donut is its presentation. Arrange your masterpieces on a beautiful, perhaps themed platter that enhances their allure. Consider pairing them with a specially crafted beverage, like a sparkling elderflower cordial or a rich, spiced coffee, to complete the sensory experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Enjoy the magic you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.